All right, continuing along with our resistance band exercises. Anytime, anywhere, any place, get a good workout in, even bodybuilding workouts. So we're breaking it down body part to body part. Here we're going to do a shoulder upright row. Now myself, on these, I like to create an X-frame. First I'll just show you the basic. Stand wide to create as much tension as you want. Lead with the elbows. Okay, now that's obviously not hard enough for me. I can definitely do the next resistance band, but before that, my choice with the upright row is to create the X-frame. So how do we do that? We put it under the feet and then we crisscross our grip so that we've created an X. See that? And now I get to pull from the in position to the out position. Boom, 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 boom. That's a lot better for my osteoarthritis on my shoulder because I can pull away from the shoulder joint. Bam, 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 bam. So again, see that X-frame right there? And then I can go to the next band, or I can just spread my feet wider. So once again, don't even need an anchor, using your feet as an anchor. So again, resistance band training, anywhere, anytime, any place, body part workouts. We're pumping rubber. We're getting there. I'll see you in the next video. I can't help myself.